Hello YouTube, welcome to my new channel, Other and Discover. A brand new channel where I'll be exploring the beauty of the Lake District from both the sky and the ground. Using my DJI Air 3S drone, I'll be capturing the stunning aerial views from dramatic mountain passes to peaceful lake shores, giving you a perspective you don't normally get to see. And with the Insta360 X5, I'll bring you closer to the action on the ground. Whether that's exploring historic towns, hidden trails, or just enjoying the simple beauty of a Lake District walk. This channel is all about travel, discovery, and cinematic storytelling, showing the Lake District like you've never seen it before. So, if you like drones, stunning landscapes, and discovering new places, then keep on watching. I'll try to upload my new content on a Friday at 5 PM UK time. So if you've enjoyed my first video on this brand new channel, then make sure to hit the subscribe and like button and join me on this adventure. And don't forget to leave your comments below and hit that notification bell for the next episode. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next adventure. Blue skies and happy flying everyone.